Hey guys, welcome to Model 6, and this is going to be on marketing and advertising part. So guys, today's topic is going to be on Amazon pay-per-click, Amazon PPC. So what PPC actually is, guys, it is an advertising method, and when you advertise a product and if someone clicks on your listing, then you will be charged for that click. So therefore it is referred as pay-per-click. As I have already told you about PPC in my previous video, in my PPC campaign strategy, and I'm going to show you today also. And as you log into your Seller Central, guys, as you log in, and when you see this tabs, and here in advertising you have to click on campaign manager, this advertising tab, as you can see here, and you have to click on campaign manager. This is our PPC campaign for Amazon, guys. As you can see, this is our PPC campaign, and as you scroll down from here, you can create your PPC campaign, guys. By this yellow create campaign tab, you can create your PPC campaign. I'll be showing you more PPC creating strategies in my upcoming video, and as I've already shown you before also, so I'll be showing you more in upcoming videos, guys. So let me see you in next video.